a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name, amen. I get video wey I wan present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night, depending on your time zone, wherever you dey watch me from, and where you go see this video later, when you go watch this video. So I greet every one of us this very afternoon. As all of una go see, I get a very big smile on my face, because as I wake up this morning, I put on radio Biafra, they listen, they play the repeat broadcast of our supreme leader. My heart, as in, I just did somehow. I said, no, this afternoon, if I come outside, I need to play this for Amadike to refreshing a lot of us memory, because as it is today, if not for the fact that we get person like Amadike for Biafra land today, we can save the whole eastern region. By now, what did they happen for what did they call her Plateau State? Now for the apple for our land. Now Plateau State is under siege. The women they pack come out 7th of September 2021. That they prayed because now protest they be won't even go safe. But the governor tell they say they not go fit go protest. Say they put curfew. Say the people when they key when their family when they affect. Say they sit there for grief and fear. So make anybody not come outside to protest. So the women now you know mothers now. They not can get any other option. They can't go to the street, maybe na asket. I don't know where they can't go. They can't lie down for ground. They pray. When I see that picture, my heart really, as in I feel pain. I can also join my faith to their own and say, woman, when I join my faith to their own. Say, may God Almighty, because a spiritual battle now they go for. May God Almighty, when create the heaven and earth, the God of the whole universe, make it come to the rescue of the indigenous people that are being slaughtered on daily basis in Nigeria. So we dey happy when we say we get Amadike, and so lucky say before these things can see happen, we don already get ESM. At least for the past how many months now since this year, at least our mind doesn't rest small concerning the 5 people have been slaughtered, and the rape video go dey trend then video when Fulani take dey rape people for Biafra land. Go dey see people when they don bush half. You go dey see people when they don bush half. No place for Biafra land when this kind of thing dey happen. Even places where be say they not as in where be say they even get intention to go they do am. They don't want to do am because they don't want to make our Amadike day right. But some people don't know why all these things there as it dey like this today, my people. Some people don't know. You there for Edo State, maybe never the weakness. I even seen news say they go slaughter what did they call her Showore younger brother for when they go school, when they come from whether now Okada Biusen Polytechnic, when they come for that Edo State road, when they go slaughter that the young man that way, when they already express the love and how they take play from childhood. It's very, very painful. The reason why all this thing never escalate to all those places when some people go to talk say ESN na for only the Igbos, ESN na for only the Igbos. Even if ESN never reach your village, because as our supreme leader talk, bring every community should bring at least 50 men to represent them, because people were supposed to protect Anambra State, no go they protect another state, no go they protect Imo State. Everybody gets youth when we say they're there for their place. I be youth, not be for math. I be Gaima, not be for math. This is the area you are supposed to show your Gaima. Come outside and let and do the needful. But despite that, my people, the fear make Amadike not dey right, make Amadike not dey vindicated. Now you just say society is not the happen for some kind place. They'll call they try to they play peace. They'll call they try to they play peace. I hope my network dey stable, my people. They'll call they try to they manage, make they play peace, make wait till IPOB they talk, make it for not dey right. And they tell you in one or two way, this struggle of Biafra is saving every one of us. It's saving every one of us. And they chase them, and then they go face Yoruba people. Then they face Yoruba people, the Oduduwa brethren. Then they face them. Now those ones sit and say, okay, they don't chase on for that. Now this one now walk up to now. Now those ones see rise up, stand up, start to the fight. As we they talk now, a lot of Yoruba people they sit there for they see they seek refugee for Benin Republic. They see they seek refugee. We are very happy to have Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB. And before this Tikosi happens, they don't create ESM. That is why we are doing everything possible to make sure say ESM money is there intact. We continue to the fund ESM. Continue to the fund ESM so that they will continue to do their job. Because we don't want them to be discouraged. Because tomorrow, gradually, all this work when this our ESM brother they do now, they don't. Some of them they don't know the benefit of it. They don't know the level where this ESM where they recruit them or where they join. So the level where you go take them to. So go come be five-star general later. So go come be colonel. So they'll get higher post last because they will not be used and dumped. No, these are the people who are the as a matter of fact they are preparing themselves for another higher level. That is why they tell them, I say, we must fund them so that they not go there discouraged. They will not be discouraged in any little way. When you go, no, so you go fit the support ESN. Make una the support and una make sure say the money of ESN is being channeled to the appropriate channel. Because these people are doing marvelously well, if not for them are people. Not be this one with the talk so. Protest, you know many protests when they don't for Plateau State. Protest no go fit save this one. Protest no go fit save the situation where these people be want put us. Only protest no go fit so. See, look at what the governors are doing. Who would have come for our rescue? Nobody. They create what did they call them vigilante? What did vigilante fit do? Vigilante when they give what did they call them double barrel with a full ESM when they carry machine gun, when they carry AK-48, AK-47. What did double barrel want fit do? What did double barrel want fit do? Abi Haro. Thank God for Nnamdi Kanu. Thank God for ESN. Thank God for IPOB. That is why those of us who come for Biafra land, we see there for diaspora today. We see the drink, we see the at least get 5 hours or 6 hours sleep. If not, na so our heart go the big book. And those places where ESN never too dey active. Those of us when see get family for that side, we see the fear. We see the fear where. That is why we tell everybody say, be active, stand up, come outside, be active. Don't they take last for this kind of a thing. Don't make sure say you take last. Make sure say you there among the people when we say they go can't join something tomorrow. Some people when do something tangible to be as a remarkable thing when they go use to the praise them tomorrow. Make sure you are part of it. Because what ESN, these young men, ESN are doing today, by the time they start having this 5-star general, 6-star general, corner, all those things, what did they call them? So, you know when you can join, when you can start from scratch, now you call they envy them. Probably you go they jealous. Or you call they say that they don't by anything, or be by favorism. No. Now the fruit of their labor, now that they reap so. They will not be used at dump. Those of them when go see, when on the process, they still lost their life. Their graveyard, everything, they go see write their name for them. The homage will be paid to their family. Everlasting to everlasting, their family will be reaping for the fight. Generation upon generation will be reaping for that fight when that young man fight, when he die put. Their name go there among the list. He don't get pikin for life. He don't get pikin for life. He get family, he get mother, he get papa, he get sister, he get siblings. They will be reaping from it. No take last. You get wetin they take last, my people. You get wetin they wait people for the take last. Yesterday, my people, I see when Punch Vanguard News, I be Punch newspaper, and Punch newspaper. Because Punch newspaper now is, I don't know whether I won't call them showroom or I won't call them entertainment news. So I don't know. Because now anything with the sick palm, they carry. Anything with the sick palm, carry. Two husband and wife, they fight palm, they carry. Boyfriend and girlfriend, they say they sleep, they not sleep well, palm, they carry. Person slap person, not slap person, palm, they carry. I don't know if they are lacking news. Go to Plateau State. Go and carry the news in Plateau State. If you are lacking news, go and or if you want to make yourself an entertainment news, talk show news, just be specific. Not a misser, not a day, like say una want day versatile. Una miss of day versatile. They make una news the day irrelevance. Can be like a roadside news, roadside journalist news. According to our leader, say that they give them for 4,000 naira till they publish news. I see news yesterday when they say. One place for Delta State say some people go visit the army, the police there. They come as in baptize them, send them go where they're supposed to send them go. Before I know, I don't see say the punch newspaper don't post am. The spec of Delta State don't come outside, they don't put the picture, they rant for there. Waiting they go do this and they go do. Una no go fit kill rats. Una no go fit kill rats because the use of una for that land for every place in Nigeria, una dem more like useless. Una dem more like useless. It's better for every citizen to be working armed than having you as a policeman or security agency to when they rely or they depend on. It's better to all of you to be wiped out from that zoo, may they not get any security agency than to have those of have una they walk about like mad people will not get used. There are places that your attention are needed. You cannot go there. You now say matter security matter checking points for everywhere, doing nothing, extracting money from innocent people, extracting money from people when they work hard to earn their daily bread, shooting them aside. The ones who not give una 100 naira or 50 naira, una go shoot them aside. It's not better for them to slaughter all of you, make una die through, make una so una not they exist again, than call they keep una. All the ranting when you did spent on the rant yesterday, you are wasting your time. More are still coming. More are still coming. And una go yen and out. Because as it do like this now, they say police is your friend according to the law. But in the case of Nigeria, police is your enemy. Police na terrorists. Police na threats to your life. So before you go, una go they take their life one by one. Maybe they take una life. Right from the time memorial in the damnable republic called Nigeria, you never get the time when police take get head for Nigeria. I'm coming to the seat at home, my people, but let me address this area first. There will never be a time when zoo government, zoo police take be anything, because there be police force. There be police force. Anything that they do now force. You won't go pay person for that place now force. They won't collect money now force. They won't write your name down now force. Everything now force. That is why you see history. See they talk about people like them Anini today when the Nigerian government label a criminal. What led to Anini, people like the Anini when they call be rebel against police? Not be police brutality. Is it because they have not seen anybody that can replace Anini? Or they have not seen any they never see people when go even do pass Anini. Now make una see now make some of us see they see Anini like criminal. It is police brutality. And I'm very sure say the brutality when me and you don't witness since I was born, when you two were born. I believe say even Anini time na joke. Even Anini time na child's play compared to the police brutality when we dey see today. Time of Anini na child's play. But some of you don't have brain. Some of you in that place, una not get or as in I don't know whether na fear na conquer every one of una. Una don't know una right. Una don't know anything. Even when una see people when they do on behalf of una, when una go take support and someone go say, let's protect our security agency. Let's not do this. They have family. They have brothers. They have sisters. They have this. They have that. That is an hypocrisy. You might be victim tomorrow. You, those people when they slaughter, when they kill on daily basis for the damnable republic called Nigeria, don't they have families? Don't they have families? They do have families. They do have families. So it's not only the police people that has family. People when they shoot aside, you get one man when they show for Delta State, when he and his wife come they beg money, they say police what do they call them? Police use gun for the man they drive keke napep. They won't collect money for the man and the man no gree. They use police gun hit the man for head. The man can get leakage for brain. According to the woman when they cry, I see her from one blog. When the woman they cry, you see they don't spend no less than 4 million for surgery. The man never see they okay. The man never see they okay. Now policeman I put that woman for that stress. He get children. He young husband though. The woman still young go. He brain don't they leak. How that man want to survive? Una condemn her for life. They say they spend money on top of it. Then we'll go see una wear whatever miserable and hopeless, backward, useless. What do they call them? Uniform one and they wear. Then we'll call look on a pass. Say una get one thing when they do. You get one thing when they make they live. Una make una they live free. You cannot live free in as far as you use the lives of the people to be counting scores on daily basis. Now so we too, the citizens, go to use on our life till they can't score. Yes, so we go they can't scores. So thank you very much, great Biafrans all over the world. We are so very, very happy to have ESM and Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB. And for this our generation, we are very happy. At least we have the guts to even if it's not all of us, majority of us have the guts to challenge the tyranny as a government. We have the guts to challenge terrorists of our time. We have the guts to challenge invaders. History will continue to remember us. Now, a lot of pictures have been trending all over social media since for a successful sit at home, maybe on the 9th of September 2021. When we say when we say it happened for Biafra land today, this declaration was given by the head of Directorate IPOB leadership, because the impostor say in the come Biafra land today. We don't know what is coming to Biafra land to do. I know that in come of show now what can do, because there is no any infrastructure that is being built in Anambra in Imo State. There is nothing to commission in Imo State. Why is it coming to Imo State? Now show now show now in what can do for that place. Now we are proving to them once again that he's not welcome to our land. They cannot hold our supreme leader, and at the same time coming to our place, and is an impostor. Impostor cannot be parading himself as a president. How many of us don't see the outfit when the so-called president wear? They are using everything possible to take cover the mask, cover everything when he wear. Look at what the man wear. Look at what the man wear. Whether na local, what they call look okereka. Now the man they carry give the man wear. Come wear one kind baggy trouser, come wear shagu on top, as in just to cover the shape of the man leg. Because when you see an old man's leg, you will know. When you see a young man's leg, you will know. I don't tell on a time without number. Even if person did this, like no matter how you want they look, as in you look young, you know, you get places for your body when person go see, you go know say okay, this person see how it be. Just like the way we they see the so-called president arms. We know young person hands, we know old people hand. No matter how fresh, no matter how you dey take care of for yourself reach, when you don above 70, your body go dey shrink. When you above 50, say your body don dey shrink. Your body don dey shrink. You can never be like young people. As Queen of England get money, as England get money, and the kingdom get money reach, una dey see Queen of England everything. All her joy don fall. All her body don shrink. She no dey fit dey stand straight. See this president wey dey bring up for Imo State today. The president na so he stand straight. He stand straight. The Muhammad Buhari wey we know, as tall as he is, he don get hunchback. Abi I dey lie my people. He don get hunchback. As he tall as he dey and with his age, he don get hunchback. But this one stand straight like army when they as in when they as in all those protocol, like all the rest of the what did they call am? The police army where they guard them. We know say in name na General Muhammad Buhari, but with his age and his tallness, he not get that strength or that body to take stand like that. They wear what did they call am? Baggy trouser. You know even the color of the baggy trouser and the shagun wey wear, it no match. I don't know, as in I don't know who, as in where they wear that kind of uniform, whether it's another Photoshop, nobody knows. How many of us also see the heavy hand security agency wey call them for there? They even plenty pass Ashbab. They plenty pass Ashbab police. Whether na Ashbab they pack come o, whether na the army police and when they for the whole of the zoo na they pack go for that place. So I don't know. See the women wey come welcome them. All of us know how Biafran women dress. We are analyzing the pictures and the videos when we see for them, because they know will try to fool us. We don't tell them say we own the land, and we will continue to prove to them say the land belongs to us. No matter how they try to overlook our agitation, or they try to do like say they know they see what we they do, we will continue to prove to them. Not only prove it to them, also prove to the world, and that they feel our proof for inside their body. That they feel it, and that is how they will continue to feel it until they go come outside, come they use their mouth, they talk with for where what they're supposed to talk. They talk for them to do the needful. How many of us see the women Una know say they were trying to prove a point, let it not be like Biafran women, as in na Fulani women or na Hausa women or na women wey dey pack up for the north, na dey for that place. Look at it. They can't wear that their scarf when they wear. They can't wear that. They not can use that hijab. They not can use that hijab. All of us know if Biafran women will come welcome visitor. How many of us know how they take the dress? I want to see that picture of a Biafran women, how they dress, and how they take the welcome visitor. I never see that kind of picture. Rather, we see picture of women with a stretch neck. So if the president they call it a stretch neck. So a whole president of a nation, if they come now, women wey wear all those rag wey those women wear, be like all those women wey dey roast corn. I know they try to talk down women wey dey roast corn, but I know they make an example. All those women wey dey sell kunu, wey dey sell tuwo de nunu for roadside. None a go park call when they call a stretch neck. They look president from afar. We tell you say, in as far as Biafran land is concerned, una fit continue to dey do whatever una dey do with whosoever una don elect for there, just like hopeless Uzodimma dey do for that place. Una go dey, and una time still dey limited. As we dey say, una go continue to dey do wetin una dey do, una continue to dey do wetin una dey do, so una time dey limited. Everything gets time, everything gets season. Una no believe say today una no go fit get settlement for Biafra inside our forest. If they tell una 2015 or 2016 say all una settlement will be removed from Biafra forest, una go say na lie. But today we come, so everything gets season. If we see they tell una say a time will come, there will not be governors, a governor representing Nigeria in anywhere in Biafra land. That time will still come. A time will come. Anything that have to do with maybe zoo police or army, anything will not be in Biafra land. That time they come. Everything gets season. Now one leg, none of the choose for pantry. Now one leg, none of the choose for pantry. And what it make me cut like our agitation say we not there in a hurry, because we want make sure say by the time we are done with the zoo, the name Nigeria go dey obligated from the surface of this earth. They go remove the name Nigeria from the map. That is what we want to do. We don't want to fight a fight where we say we and Nigeria will come be neighboring country. No, we don't want it like that. We want to say at the end of the day, we can't get neighboring country like Oduduwa. We can't get neighboring country like Kwarafa. We can't get neighboring country like Arewa. We can't get neighboring country as in Benin Republic. Now so we want them. We don't want to have anything to do with Nigeria, whether na business transaction or whether na money rate exchange or whether na their immigrants na won't come or come get their green and white passport enter our nation. We don't want it. We want the name Nigeria to be obligated from the surface of the earth. So we make una get prepared, because it's about to go down. It's about to go down. Look how shamelessly you dress the president. Look at how shamelessly you dress a president. You wear a buluku. Come wear a shagu on top. Come stand like wood when they carve. No movement. It start because anything we make a move, waiting there for under sokoto, we go see him. It stand like robots. Just to prove a point. Now stand with that. We don't want to invade una so-called president. We don't want to invade him. When we want to invade him, or when we want to tell him say we don't want him to come for that place, he no go come. If we tell us say we are not welcoming you by sitting at home, a time will come. We tell us say we don't want to see your feet for the land. Not be saying we no want welcome you. We don't want to see your feet in that soil. A time will come. Pack as many Ashiba police, abi whatever now they call them. Pack as many you go pack on. We own the land, and we will prove out to una that they say he's not welcome. He's not welcome. His convoy will be confronted. His convoy will be confronted. A time will come. It's gradually. It's gradually. It will get to that time. They never born government as that they Uzodimma they talk from two sides of his mouth. Holding Nnamdi Kanu, it not they change anything, and they tell you every day. Like the BBC News when they go interview people for London, for UK, when they go house to house. That's to tell you how deeply Biafra struggle have have eaten into a lot of people. There are some of the people that went there to interview. Probably they are not even IPOB member. Some of them are not IPOB member, but they are Biafrans, or they are Africans, or they are even your Uzodimma, or they are from Middle Belt, but they are aware of Biafra. They will go there to arrest them, to go interview them. Now that they have arrested Nnamdi Kanu, are you sure the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu is going to stop Biafra struggle? It's safe for where? It's safe for where? There's never been a time when there is an agitation for freedom, when they will arrest one person or arrest their leader, the agitation will automatically die. It means there has never been an agitation. Even when before Wazirike compromise, was still waiting for him to come back to continue. But when he got back, now another thing they call the sea. Now everybody comes out to the scatter. They fought and gallantly, they patiently waited for him. That is how it is. When the South Sudan were fighting, a lot of their leader was captured. A lot of their leaders were killed. For 30 good years, they waited until they got their independence. So the more the country they dey more miserable, the more they dey more useless. So una plan no go dey accomplish. So anything we make una go further, because all Nigerians are not aware that there is a mission of conquering. There is a mission to invade everybody. There is a mission to bring. There is agenda for every Fulani in West Africa to come and take Nigeria as their own land. It's already there. The last time you went to those states, you want to go and install Sultan of Sokoto, Sultan. They kick against it, and they say, as a matter of fact, we don't want to see anything like Awusa or anything like Trace. I watched the video when they were talking to the man when get the hotel. When they say they want to host the event. They say, as a matter of fact, we don't want to see say na Fulani or anything we could be say na we call wear Sokoto and we waited they call and call we enter this hotel. If not, this hotel they go burn her down or they go collect the license from una. So it go as in una they speak una they see. Everybody is not aware. Any attempt wanna move, any move wanna take, the people are not aware. It's not going to be as easy as una for do if you say IPOB no dey. If you're not there as easy like that, una come at the next day, una call they apologize. Just the way the people are fighting against open grazing bandit today. Una don't come outside and say, if they say me that they rare cow for one place, person can buy cow for 2 million. Who cares? As a matter of fact, if a cow enter 2 million, people will start eating vegetables. Or probably they will go and be really cow on their own, or be really found on their own. Chicken will take over. Chicken will cut their cheap. Because every other country, in every other African country, chicken is more cheaper than cow meat. Yes, chicken is more cheaper than cow meat. They eat chicken. When we say for Nigeria, not only Christmas and they eat chicken, all they eat chicken and big man. Now big man. Go say they roast chicken put for plate. For abroad here, if you dey chicken or anything, go honorary Ghana chicken or anything, go Cotonou chicken and not be anything. So if you make your cow, your those who are miserable cow to be 2 million per head because of the same one and they run from one place, who cares? As you can see, people have started planting tomatoes, planting cucumber, planting everything in their compound with a bag. They don't even need to go farm. They plant under how many months the thing don't germinate. So una don't teach people everything. Una don't make the people now come they hardy or come they hardworking, come they aware of the things when they're supposed to do. One na ban tomatoes, una see say Nigeria protest. One na say tomatoes no go come to the south. Una see say Nigerian lame they complain. They not complain because they even prefer for now to keep the tomatoes, keep everything for that place than coming to invade and take their life. Up until now they go to farm. They go farm, go they do everything. But for una mission to they accomplish, una make sure say una start to they kill them for farm. So they not go fit they go farm. So they not go fit use food they starve them to death. Let me tell you, Fulani Janja we control government of Nigeria. The era we are, it not be era of Usuma Dan Fodio. It not be era of Tafawa Balewa. It not be era of whosoever when the name when they call una Fandi father. We are in the era of Nnamdi Kanu. We are in the era of Sunday Igboho. We are in the era of Yoruba One Voice movement, and we are in the era of IPOB. We are also in the era of people like Governor Otom of Benue State. You should get that into an empty scores. Every mission, vision, or plan that you have towards the people of or the indigenous people of Nigeria, it don't fail on arrival. It don't fail on arrival. The more you try to dey do, as in the more the portion una dey deceive una sef. The handwriting is written all over the place. I don't think no matter how you try to poison the minds of the indigenous people to hate IPOB or to hate Nnamdi Kanu, our Supreme Leader Nnamdi Kanu, or to hate every agitation that is going on in Nigeria, no matter how you try to use your media to twist the narrative around, they will not allow you to penetrate their land. The reason why you are doing whatever you are doing in the north and getting away with it, because some of the certain part of the country think say all of una be the same. The knowledge never come to their head say una not be the same. Say the people wanna dey slaughter for that place, there be another people, because in the north they have no less than how many 200 abi 300 different languages or 100 something languages in the north. Their general, the popular or general language when they get now be Hausa language, but they are different clan, different ethnicity, different people now they be for that place. And it's only when you are in the north now you go to know the difference of these people. So they know the people when they kill, they know the people when they invade. Majority of them are even Christians. That is why they thought say anything where they happen, if there is a true formidable Christian association in Nigeria, which we know say is not there, anything where they happen to Christian anywhere in Nigeria, they are supposed to speak, not only in Nigeria, not only in Africa, anywhere in the world. But everybody keeps silent. But let me assure Fulani government of Nigeria or the Janjaweed government of Nigeria that any plan you have to come and invade or to come and take over any part of the take over the ancestral land of indigenous people of Nigeria, it has failed on arrival. It has failed on arrival. Stop wasting your energy. Stop wasting your strength. Stop trying to push further. Because the more you do that, after all, the economy is crumbling every day. How much is 1 naira to 500 naira today? How much is 1 naira to 500 naira? The economy is crumbling. So there's nothing any of you can do, or the government, the Janjaweed can do about the situation on ground. If Mieti Allah can be crying, if any attempt you make and the people rebel against it, if you have started apologizing or to they plead, how do you intend to do whatever you want to do? You think one day will stop fighting? Or you think one day will give up? You are dey in for a big one. Even the Yoruba people, when una talk say, if I hear a Yoruba man beating the drum of war, I will go back to sleep. They will not even retrieve. Even at this point, say they never even lost more people like us. They never even go they just started they don't see not be by start now, not be by alpha now but so far the recently with they don't see go deeper. But they cannot go back. No talk of us. We don't lost millions of our youth. We don't lost millions of our youth. We don't make motherless, don't make fatherless, don't make childless. Even the history of 1967 sit there for our hearts, they bleed. Una dey for a big one. And because even the last time when we check, this is more like an ethnic war. I dey talk every day. I don't care about how you feel it, how you don't feel it, because this Janjaweed, they are ethnic in Nigeria. We Biafrans, we are ethnic in Nigeria. The Uzodimma people, they are ethnic in Nigeria. We are also regions. We are also regions. Because when they call them, they say the eastern region, the western region, and the northern regions. So there's no way, as populated as we are going to allow ourselves to be conquered. We might have some efulefu amongst us who are doing whatever they are doing, but the majority of us the majority of us, they are working about what they go on. That is why we are going to resist to now. With everything where we got, I'm not gonna say with the last drop of our blood, with everything where we got, now we will take resist to now. Parade the imposter as much as you like. Wear him buloko, wear him agbada when he reach from here. That is your business. That is your business. As a matter of fact, we have once proven to you today, say you are not welcome in that place. maybe another attempt to come to that place again, it will be very brutal. Maybe another attempt for the miserable and the impostor to come to that place again, it will be brutal. My people say they know the test more pikin may not spread it, make it eat no long. So for me girls may also get big list, make go take cover am. We not tell una make una not dey do wetin una dey do. At least not be the power of Mieti Allah 2020 or 2019, not be the power of Mieti Allah 2021. Am I lying? Not be the power of Mieti Allah in 2021 and 2020, 2019. Not be the power of Mieti Allah in 2021. You can confirm that to yourself, even if una dey prove say una be Odunga. Inside, inner, deeper inside una heart, una dey. Even the whole world don tell una say, if any war break out for Nigeria, make una bear am as it is. Oh. The British are not coming. Even if they are coming for their own interest. The last time I checked, they will even fight for their own interest more than you people who have nothing to offer. Than cows. They will even protect more of their interests. Because what is they keep the zoo, they move, they go on, it is our region. If the British dare to say that so they won't call put hand on, they won't call do everything will be burnt to ashes and they will go other British go for recession. They will go for recession. So now they in for a big one. If it's on a guess and they say our bread is better than not. At least Sultan of Sokoto, he has 27 all year wear. The one waiting for my father backyard. He has it in it as his own in his own as in 9 days in charge. Emir of Kanu, he has no less than how many all year wear. The one at my grandfather's backyard. In his as in 9 days in charge. Since one has seen and said that this woman, what did they call her? Adeki Jabi, what did they call her? Say now all your night blow. Now all of una channel una energy again go to the oil. Did they let una know every day say oil is gradually fading away? The international body or the USA, all those people that are manufacturing car have started manufacturing electric cars. Excuse me, started manufacturing can where they use solar, can where they use water, can where they use air, can where they use all manner of things. Oil is gradually going. Una say no because una be what did they call it? Una parasites. Now una be. You cannot do anything. You only depend on natural resources because you cannot produce anything as Janjaweed that you are. You cannot produce anything. And for the fact say they even see give una everything. When they talk say half bread is better than no, even if we know say now una get the full bread, make una see live the life of the people. Let excel on their own. Let them una say no. When we want to talk about development in our land, you say go and hold your government responsible. Go and hold your governor responsible. Go and hold your government responsible. Even if I know say all those ones, they be mugu, they be backward fools. But no, they do everything. No, they do everything. No, they tell them. Yesterday, now I see for news when Wicked they cry the Ikla, the little Ikla they cry yesterday. Say I can. They say in 2021. What did they call her? River State produce revenue of 21,000 billion and how many revenue say it produce. Then una give River State 2.4 billion, me 2.3 billion. Una still go give Kanu when produce how many when not reach how many billion, be like 13 and how many billion, how many revenue they say Kanu produce. Una still give Kanu they say 2 point something billion. He said this cannot, as in, this one, they're not going to fit to relate this one again. Despite that, you are not satisfied. You still want to bring your fellow Janjaweed from the everywhere part of every part of Africa to come and take over our ancestral land. So we now have Delta State Emirates. We now have Delta State Emir. We now have Delta State Sultan. We now have a Delta State Emir. We now have Emir in Ebonyi State. We now have in Imo State. We now have in Edo State. We now have in Bayelsa State. To represent you, before you be satisfied, you will not change our religion, our culture. We will not be telling the history how our fathers was or how our forefather was living. All our history about us will be totally wiped away. We will come return on our own for this life. Is it on this planet Earth? This era of IPOB? Now only two things I did for this life. And I said, no only two things I did, as in only two things go fit happen to. I been one thing go fit happen to the. Now be the worst thing we go fit happen to a man for this life. Now be death. Now be death. And when they sweet me part, we say, none of you is cast in iron. None of you is cast in iron. That same blood when would they bleed? None of they bleed. This same single air where God Almighty create, when would they breathe in? None of they breathe in. We will not get spared. We are waiting. We are waiting. Wetin be your name? Osayi Ogumbo gift. May you quiet. No dey talk wetin you know dey talk. What evidence are you talking about? Wetin be the evidence when you dey talk about? Na him be the first person when na him be the first freedom fighter when they arrest. Osayi, na him be the first freedom fighter when they arrest. Na him be the first. He no be the first, he no go still be the last. And as a matter of fact, make una dey cry, make individual of us, make we dey cry our cry. Make we dey cry our cry. Make we dey cry our cry. Your name now Osayi, and I'm very sure I know where you come from. You are my brother. We are one people. They cannot be persecuting your people or a person when you feel say una dey share the same country with, then una go dey talk rubbish wey no make sense. It no make sense. It not make sense, my brother. He's not the first person to be, he's not the first freedom fighter to be arrested. Freedom fighter, they arrest freedom fighter before. Some of them they get killed, some of them they get released. He's not the first and he's never gonna be the last. So may you as in cry your cry. Cry your cry, my brother. Anybody that is fighting against this freedom of every indigenous people in Nigeria, they die miserable death. They die miserable death. There's evidence to prove everywhere on the social media. I don't want to speak to hurt some people because I will not use because of one person to go and hurt other people. It's better for you to listen, or if you don't want to listen, you take a walk. Take a walk. What are you telling me? What are you they tell me, Osayi? What are you they tell me? What are you they tell me? You say there is enough evidence to nail that guy. Which guy are you talking about? Which guy are you talking about? Which guy you they talk about? I hope not be my supreme leader, Nnamdi Kanu, because there's no any evidence in that place to nail nobody. There's no evidence in that place. How many Fulani have they nailed? How many terrorists that have been killing people? I mean, just recently, nobody had not stayed there for kill Sowore brother. Who is going to persecute the killer? Brother say, who is going to persecute that killer? Who is going to persecute the killer that killed Sowore's younger brother? Who is going to persecute him? Your mother and your sisters, your wives that have been slaughtered for farm on daily basis, especially in Uronigbe. Who is going to persecute the perpetrators? Who is going to persecute them? Who is going to persecute them? Make we know they talk. Make we know they talk out of hatred. Because even my people talk and say, "Uga udonyo madwa umia unuhenya gos umia unuaya gosi umia unuhenya gosi where." If you because of your enemy get blind, or somebody who is fighting for you that you don't know, or you don't know say they fight for you, you might not see eye to look at your friends tomorrow. Let's keep sentiment aside. People that have been slaughtered on daily basis in Plateau State, who is going to persecute them? The Christians that have been slaughtered in Plateau State massively, that they dig them for mass grave, who is going to persecute them? Who is going to persecute them? So my people, we must continue. We must continue. It is no retreat, no surrender. Everybody get one life. Nobody get duplicate life. They are not casting iron. If you want to come up for pot, you know, say make the rest of them not done. As all of us day today, so we don't know our stand. At least if not the only unworkfulness we don't give to Nigeria is enough. At least, but I say now, he come in, whether his comment is negative or if my sister, no be fight. Listen to me and know things you feel don't know. Wetin you dey talk about? No dey write your comment short. Take your time. I still dey here. Take your time. Jot am, make it long. Or better still, I fit send you the link. May you join me for the place. May you come tell me. Jot am very long. May you tell me what are the things when I don't know. When you know pass me. Say Nnamdi Kanu, person wey dey fight on behalf of me and you. Say we no hold we no hold Nigerian citizenship. Say Nigerian government go Kenya, go kidnap and go Nigeria, come hold am illegally. Na be the thing wey you know more than me, or you know the law more than me. What has it done? The movement wey dey lead, e never dey armed. The people wey dey armed, or people wey dey for that place as a security network, they get am for the north too. They get Ashibad police. I mean, you know they are aware of Ashibad police. You know they see the activities of Ashibad police when they destroy like five luxurious bus. When they chase people, they invade houses on daily basis. What do they call them? Our Yoruba brother, they still get their own security outfit when they call Omote. How our own content they different, my brother? How our own content they different? May you jot and make a decision. Jot what you want, not write and short. Just jot it down. Let me read it out. Now that place, now some of us they confuse ourselves. For the fact that someone cannot speak maybe good English, does not mean that the person he not get sense or he don't know what they happen. I've been on this social media for the past going to 4 years now. I'm very much aware of what is going on in the damnable Republic of Nigeria. And I still know the constitution of Nigeria. The constitution of Nigeria still gives right to self-defense. The constitution of Nigeria gives right to self-defense. Not go because of somebody where you don't like, go blind, my brother. Read what I wrote, and my advice to you is it's okay if you want to take it personal. I didn't get anything you wrote, my brother. I didn't get it. You are just saying, writing it in short words. I didn't get anything you wrote. Maybe you should come more more clear so that I can understand you. So now so it be, my people. Now so the matter just be. Anything wey be say it go benefit anybody when it get to do with freedom, a common sensible human being should know that you have to support. There was a time Omote was arrested. There was a time he was shot. We all graze on our land. Omote is not fighting for Biafra. He's not fighting for Uzodimma. The last time I checked, he was even fighting for the betterment of the damnable Republic of Nigeria. But we never cared. Despite the hatred we had for Nigeria, how we hate Nigerian rich, we see the solicit, we see the as in cry on behalf of Omote. That is how it is. If you are a sensible human being, you know that how Nigerian government went to kidnap the leader of indigenous people of Biafra is against the law, which even the international body kick against it. You should condemn it. You should condemn it. That is what it called. No matter your differences, when you want to speak the truth, endeavor to speak the truth. Because a time will come, you will need somebody to come and speak just one truth to save you. Because you have refused to speak truth to save others, you may not get the person to speak the truth to save you. It might be at your workplace. It might be at bus stop. It might be at a supermarket. Anywhere. Because you have you have refused to speak truth to save somebody. Another person go see refuse to speak truth just to save you. They look you, they go persecute you. They go persecute you.